A lot of people have been asking me how I quote my pressure washing jobs. Gonna go ahead and show y'all. I do most of my estimates on Google Earth, so we're gonna go ahead and just mark up all the edges of the concrete that I'm gonna be cleaning. This is a big driveway we have to do. So right there, go ahead and go around the edges, and we're gonna take the sidewalk as well. I always include the sidewalk in any of my driveway cleanings just as a courtesy, but I end up just charging them for it. So there we go, like that. Then once we close up this right here, we're gonna have 4808. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that into the calculator here. Times that by our price, which is 16 cents a square foot for this one. And there we go. 16 cents a square foot could be higher or lower for different markets. So skip that part and use your market value.